Hey all, Kyle, AA0Z here. I am at Two Rivers National Wildlife Refuge here in Illinois, between the Mississippi and the Missouri rivers. Had to take a ferry to get here, and today is the plaque event for POTA. So I'm here with Connor, KD9LSV, and we are doing some CW. Gonna pan you around here. Nothing but farmland. Connor is using an 891 with an endfed, a 9-to-1 that I built, that we tested. And here's Connor doing some CW here. No biters yet. He just worked Maine and he just worked Washington. Back to back. Washington, the state, that is. So here is the end fed that we're feeding with about 50 foot of coax. That's the homemade end fed. Counterpoise over there. Goes up. It's kind of a U shape. Goes up, I don't know, 20, 25 feet. And I'm going to try at some point. Got my KX3 with my AX1, and the counterpoise runs along there. I'm going to try that and see if I get any nibbles. You know, it's easy whenever Thomas Witherspoon does this with his AX1, and he sits in a picnic shelter underneath an awning with a tin roof, and it's easier for someone like Thomas, because Thomas has got hundreds of people in his ham alert that as soon as Thomas gets on the air, people are gunning for him. Me, on the other hand, is a little different story. So we will, but the odds are with us because today is the plaque event and there are thousands of stations on. I think just on 20 meters, there was 153 spots. I don't know what the ratio was between CW and single sideband, but there were 153 spots. That's the most, other than Support Your Parks weekend. I think I remember about 140 spots on Support Your Parks weekend. So anyway, we're gonna try and make some contacts, more contacts. We got about an hour left here, and then we gotta head home. Gotta take the ferry back across the river to St. Charles and then head home. So here's some contacts for you. 73. NU0I.
With an extra dot.
Jesus.
Not a 1, my friend.
From Iowa? Yeah. Iowa, yep. It's 11.
I'll get more than me.
New Jersey. The land where you can't pump your own gas. Afternoon. Kyle, AA0Z here. Parks on the Air, Magnolia Hollow Conservation Area. I'll show you the view here. Down there is the Mississippi River with a train track and the Katy Trail that runs parallel to it. You might have heard a train or two on the video. I'm just using a 9-to-1 here. But yeah, I got the QRP guys, 40 through 10, 9-to-1 on. We're just using that. I think I was using about 40 watts, 30 or 40 watts. Did a single sideband and CW activation on 20 meters. Got 48 contacts or so in the books. Here's the setup here. And I had that 9-to-1, I don't know, probably 20 feet in the air or so, in a sloper configuration. POTA, Alpha Alpha 0 Zulu, Alpha Alpha 0 Zulu. Park to park, go. QSL, Whiskey 4 Tango Romeo Alpha in 071, I'm sorry, 0781 or 18? 18. 0718, you're a 55 in 6503. QSL. Okay, I heard Kilo Whiskey 4 Charlie Zulu. Okay, and you're in 0718? 0718, roger. Okay, very good, thanks. You're a 55 6503. Thank you, 73. Alpha Alpha 0 Zulu, parks on the air. The Whiskey Mike?
Whiskey Mike 8 Golf, park to park.
Whiskey Mike 8 Golf, park to park. You're 59 into 6503.
Yep. Roger. You are 59 into kilo 6776.
6776. Thanks. Got it.
Yep.
73. Alpha Alpha 0 Zulu QRZ.
Victor Echo 1 Echo Tango, park to park.
Okay, Victor Echo 1.
Victor Echo 1, Echo Tango. I have you at 55 in the park. Victor Echo 5318 QSL.
Okay, Victor Echo 1, Echo Tango in 5318. I am in K6503, and you are about a 55.
Okay, thank you for the 55 from Alpha Alpha 0 Zulu and Kilo 6503. Thank you very much, Kyle. All the best, 73.
Yeah, very good. Thank you, 73. Alpha Alpha 0 Zulu.
Alpha Delta 2, Charlie Delta.
Alpha Delta 2, Charlie Delta. Hey, Toby, what's going on? You're about a 55 here in Missouri, 6503.
Roger, Kyle. Good to hear you. 55 New Jersey. I'll try again, trying you at CW if I can. Have a good time, 73.
Yeah, very good. Good to hear your voice, Toby. Haven't heard it for a while, so thanks, 73. The Kilo 8 station? Kilo 8, Golf, Quebec. You're about a 33 Missouri in 6503. Okay, you're fading on me, but I got you. Thanks for the call, 73.
Kilo 5, Alpha Tango Alpha.
Well, look who showed up. Kilo 5, Alpha Tango Alpha. What's going on, buddy?
Not much. Please copy. 5959 into Connecticut.
Very good. I'll take the 5.9. I think I'll leave the police copy there at Connecticut. But yeah, it sounded good, Steve. You're about a 5.7 here into Missouri on top of Big Hill. Actually, I'm making a video, so you made the video. Congrats.
Well, good. I'm glad I threw an extra police copy, because while you discarded one, the other one better make the video.
That's great. All right, I'll leave you alone so you can give some more police copies out. 73, good to talk to you, Steve.
73, have a good night.
The 7 Delta. CQ POTA, Alpha Alpha 0 Zulu.
Kilo Charlie 1 Delta Alpha X-ray. Park.
Okay, the Kilo Charlie station and then the park to park.
Kilo Charlie 1 Delta Alpha X-ray, you're 5-5 into Mike Alpha.
Okay, Kilo Charlie 1 Delta Alpha X-ray, you're 5-7 Missouri, thanks, 73.
Roger the 5-7, thank you for the contact, 73.
Okay, the park to park.
Kilo Delta 2 Mike Tango Golf, park to park.
Okay, Kilo Delta 2 Mike Tango Golf, you're a 5-7 into 6503. Okay, I need your park number, Mike Tango Golf. Kilo Delta 2, Mike Tango Golf, I need your park number.
Park number 2031.
2031 QSL?
QSL, you're doing a strong 5656.
Okay, you're a 3-3 here in Missouri, 6503, thanks, 73.
73 and good luck.
QRZ, Alpha Alpha 0 Zulu, parks on the air.
Kilo Delta 2, Tango India Papa.
Okay, I got the Kilo Delta 2 something.
Kilo Delta 2, Tango India Papa.
Kilo Delta 2, Tango India Papa, you're a 5-6 Missouri, Mike Oscar.
Okay, he's on the 5-6 in New Jersey, November Juliet.
Okay.
Sorry, QSL page, I like your dog.
Oh, very good. Thanks for the like there. Appreciate it.
73.
Yep, 73. Alpha Alpha 0 Zulu, QRZ.